Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? Today let's make some cutlet with poha and potato. So we can just call it poha cutlet. Let's start without wasting any time. First, I have soaked some poha and kept it aside, and then quickly I peel my potato and slice them into dices. Then we are going to boil the potato. I just boil them in the microwave. It's easy for me this way. Then this is our soaked in poha. I have soaked it for like about 3 minutes. After that, I'm going to mash all the potatoes real quick, and then the poha also I really nicely mixed it with my hands and crushed it all together into smaller bites, and then add the potato in there and mix all together. Now I was really struggling to mix it in this bowl, that's why I quickly changed my bowl. Now let's again mix the poha and potato all together. Then we are going to get our mixture ready, add in with our onions. At this step you can literally add anything you want. I just added simple, like I just added onions and chilies, that's all I needed. Then some red chili powder and salt according to your taste. Mix it all up, end it with some coriander. You're good to go. Final step, add the corn flour, mix it up, and then we're going to prepare a bowl of corn flour plus water that we are going to use later on. And right now we are just going to start making our balls. Now it's your choice what shape you want, like in a cutlet shape or like how I made, or like clear balls. It's your choice. Then you are going to dip it with that corn flour and water mixture, cover it with breadcrumbs. I have, as you can see, I poured oil into the pan, really heat it up real quick, and one by one fry all your poha cutlets. As you can see, I have waited until the oil is real heat up, then fry each and every them. This is so easy recipe. You can make it at any time you want as a quick snack, and let me tell you, it was so delicious. I hope you like this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.